Hello, congratulations you all on the competition of this course. On this video will be just quick summary what we did. And the first, let's back on the multi-tier architecture review. Do you remember this 4-tier schema? Let's make a review their functions. The presentation layer is front-end layer. The applications or the tools which one visible for the end users. And the main responsibility of this layer to show the interface for communication, receive any input data provided by the user and delivering this information to the lower levels. The application layer is responsible for the security transferring of the data, validation requests and auditing them. The business one is layer which has an access to the data, and the main target of it to provide the secured interaction with the actual data. Means it's responsible for the all queries which goes to the changes of the data. And the last data layer is responsible for the actual storing of the data. It can be some databases or storages. And later we together prepared this schema and implemented. As a result we got the snapshot of the traffic with all roads. Like in presentation layer, we had the direct connectivity to the internet, thus the internet gateway. So we reached the Google DNS service on 9 hops. As an application and business layer which we joined in one. We are reaching the internet, those the internet gateway as well, but before it's going those the not public gateway. And in result we have 10 hops, means you cannot have a direct access without VPN to your application tier hosts and services. And the data layer is the most secured on our case, due to the connectivity is going those the two NAT gateways, private and public, and only after this it's reaching the internet gateway. So here we are reaching the internet on 11 hops. Which gives to us the additional layer of security on the network layer. So mostly this is it. You did a great job. Hope to see you again on my other courses, as current one you can mark like completed. Thanks for participation. Here was Kostya. Good luck.